Is it visible for you?
Yes.
Okay. Dear students, our today's theme is protecting the environment. And now, dear students, please listen the speech of Alabergen. Please, Alabergen, continue.
My theme is protecting environment. It's fact that we live in Earth and we should save it for better life and longer life. And what is environmental protection? It's a practice of protecting the natural environment on individual. In this picture, it said that government or environmental organizations and people also should protect the environment together. It will be more important and efficient.
How to accomplish that?
There are some examples. One of this, turn off all devices. And walk or cycle.
And there are more ways to preserve the environment. Can you count them?
Recycle as many things as you can. Avoid garbage to lessen global warming. Refrain from using air conditioner. Don't throw trashes anywhere. Plant trees. Turn off unused electrical appliances.
And can you depict these pictures? What are shown in these pictures?
One of the most important thing to protect the environment is this picture: reduce, reuse, and recycle. If we reduce our using any kind of things, we can make such things, and we can decrease the polluting the environment.
What can we count as threats to environment? Can you count them? What is threats for environment?
First, deforestation, climate change, pollution, loss of biodiversity, melting of polar ice caps, rising sea levels, population growth.
And what is pollution? Pollution
that causes
is
adverse change.
Can you give definition for pollution?
My own definition?
Can you give definition for the word pollution? What is pollution?
Pollution. What kind of definition?
Isn't it visible on the screen? Ekranda görünüp durdu. Pollution is the introduction of contaminants. Waktu tüketimi. Okay, Alavirgen, thank you very much. Is it understandable for others?
Yes, of course.
And who wants to continue? Continue our lesson, protecting the environment. Our planet is changing. We need to help it change for the better, and we are asking for your help to do that. There are a lot of things that affect our planet in a bad way, but the good news is that everyone can help to reduce them and do their bit for the environment. Here a least important topic: electricity, pollution, food, water, rubbish and deforestation. Electricity is a form of energy, and it is what powers the TV, the kettle, dishwasher, hair dryer, toaster, remote control, mobile phone, fridge, electric toothbrush, and more. Our growing need for energy is one of the problems facing the world today. Misuse of electricity, how we can save energy. On or off, leaving televisions, stereos and computers on standby with the little red light showing still uses up electricity, even though they might look like they are turned off. To stop this, you can turn them off at the wall, putting the kettle on or off. We need to boil water to make tea. Tea needs to be hot, but it doesn't need to be on the kettle for a long time. Don't keep hot item in fridge. The fridge is an important part of the kitchen. It keeps food fresh, cool and healthy, but it takes a lot of energy to keep cool, so help it by not leaving the fridge door open or putting hot things inside. And shopping, while buying a new electricity product, one need to check new products for their efficiency grade and rating, and keep an eye out for the energy efficiency recommended logo. Harness the sun's energy. An increasing number of people are fitting solar panels to their houses, and photovoltaic solar panels create electricity from sunlight, which can then be used to power their homes. Pollution is caused when harmful or poisonous substances are released or found in the air, rivers, seas, animals, plants, or even our bodies. Chemicals waste from factories and sewage works cause pollution that can get into our rivers and seas. Harmful chemicals can also be found in many household and garden items, from plastics to cleaning products, weed killers and sprays. How to get rid of pollution on your bike. Instead of taking the car to reach office, get your bicycle out or take walking. And decentralization of industry. Most of the pollutants come from industrial garbage. Industries should be set up far from the cities. Pleasing products. Many household cleaning products contain harmful chemicals which are washed down the drain. We can buy eco-friendly products or even make our own from natural substances like vinegar and lemon juice. Food, we can't live without it. The demand of food is increasing, and increase in population eat less meat. It is an easy and effective way to cut down on meat. Make one or even two or your days meat free. Eat organic food. Organic foods have had no insecticides and pesticides added to them, which makes them that bit more natural and healthy. Eating organic food reduces how many chemicals are made and spread across the countryside. Water, turn on the tap and there it is. Getting water is so easy that you'd be mistaken for thinking that there was an endless supply. But the world has a water shortage and 70% of the world is covered in water. We should call our planet ocean, not Earth, but most of this water is salt water, leaving only a small percentage of fresh drinking water. Countries including Spain, Italy, Peru, China, and South Africa actually import water from exporting countries such as the USA, Australia, and Argentina. A staggering 1.1 billion people on Earth have no access to clean drinking water. This global shortage is predicted to get worse as global temperatures rise. Every person in the UK uses about 150 liters of water a day. Compare this to some countries where they only have 5 to 10 liters. Poor countries would be shocked to hear that we use drinking water to flush our toilets and have to save water. Get your teeth into it. We brush our teeth twice a day, and by turning the tap off while we brush, we can save 5-10 liters of water. Rain gain, collecting rainwater in a water bath in your garden is a great way of collecting and reusing the water to keep plants healthy in the summer. Rubbish. We throw away unwanted food, glass, bottles, plastic bottles, cans, wrappers, water, and cardboard. Many of these things are made up of natural resources such as trees, coal, oil, and aluminum, and one day some of these resources will be used up completely. How to manage rubbish? Sort it out. Not all of our recycling is taken by helpful dustmen. Unwanted or leftover food such as tea bags and potato peelings can be added straight to a compost heap. Little insects help break down food and plant matter and make it into scrumptious soil that plants, trees, and other animals to recycle banks. Some councils don't collect plastics or cardboard, but there isn't always somewhere nearby with big recycling banks where you can take them. Save trees. Save trees by recycling your own paper. Paper with a clean side can be made into notepads with a simple staple or a hole to tie a piece of string. These are great for doodles and notes. If you are buying paper, buy recycled paper. Fashion statement. Give any unwanted clothes to charity shops or to a Salvation Army recycling bank. A lot of our unwanted clothes go to the homeless to keep them warm, or alternatively the clothes are sent to developing countries. Packaging is a big problem for the environment because once the product is open you don't need it and it is thrown out, or if it is lucky, recycled. So avoid buying products that have a lot of paper and plastic around them.
And deforestation, trees are our big friend. We cut down trees to meet our need, but we forget to get at least 25% of trees to keep environmental balance. Animals are losing their habitat. The earth is losing its carrying capacity. Human beings are losing green and habitable environment and decrease in oxygen to inhale. What we can do to save trees: plant at least 3 plants. If you cut down a single tree, undertake yearly afforestation program in school level so that the children might develop the habit of trees. So let's plant a tree today. Any question? If any question isn't, thank you very much for your attention.